In the dance of the cosmos where forces entwine, the principle of gender, both feminine and divine.
Masculine and feminine, together they blend in every creation from start to end.
Sacred union of energies, subtle and profound, in all of life's fabric where balance is found. From the depths of the earth to the stars above, manifestations of gender in actions of love.
Bring forth the balance, let harmony reign. In the joining of forces, let nothing remain but peace and creation. From the greatest to least, in the dance of the dual, the power released.
Harmonize these energies within and without, banishing shadows, casting out doubt. Celebrate the union, the sacred, the pure. In the balance of gender, our spirits mature.
Let this incantation with respect be cast, for the future we build from the wisdom of past. By the law of gender so wisely penned, create new beginnings where all things blend.